So I'm at a place that's called Camp Lulu Key, which is in the 10,000 islands of the Everglades. And I've been to this little island a few times. This is just shortly after Hurricane Ian. And I don't really think that this part of Florida got hit as bad. I mean, they definitely did get storm surge, and you can definitely tell that a lot of sand did erode throughout the beach. There's my beautiful wife. The last time I was here was after Hurricane Irma, and this structure, which is, from my understanding, the only structure left of this Camp Lulu, but this is the structure that fell over, I think from Hurricane Ian. I think Ian knocked it over because it was still up with Irma. And it's interesting because, check this out. So there's some propane, or donated to some campers. So definitely someone or some people have been camping here. So let's see what I can find back here. Yeah, I think the door's on the back side. I think this completely, the door used to be on the front side, but I think after Hurricane Ian, I think it not only fell, but it also twisted as it fell. Yeah. So this is where the door was, right here. Or, I mean, the door's still there, but this was on. So this structure from the hurricane completely twisted and fell right here. Okay, so there's a little screen door here. Hey, look, there's a bunk bed in there. So this is inside. Oh my gosh, there's like, this is crazy. There's brand new pillows. Yeah, and a bag of who knows what. I know what I'm saying, and like an air mattress. And really nice. There's like really nice mattress. Someone put an air conditioner in here. My camera is straight, so it is tilted. It's almost like those mystery houses that they build just for people to explore. But it looks like someone tried to make this better again. Those windows look brand new. There's, you know, like I said, there's some nice camp coffee pot, paper towels, nice windows. So I think someone's trying to habitat, like make a little, I don't know, camp lodge. The pillow is still in its packaging. Look at this. You can take a canoe and get here. So this place is only accessible by boat where I'm located. And that's the Gulf Coast. This is an area called 10,000 Islands in the other Everglades. North of here is Marco Island, Naples, Florida, Fort Myers. Yeah, and there aren't too many people out in this area. The water's really calm today. It's a great day to be out. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. And the beach is gorgeous. This Camp Lulu Key, they do get kayakers and boaters that come and will camp on it, but I don't know anyone that has even thought about staying inside that. I don't know. I wouldn't trust it, but look at that. We saw evidence, we definitely did see evidence of someone staying in there. And the wildlife that you see, what's really kind of cool when you walk along the beach, not only do you see these like really beautiful shells and coral throughout the island. Horseshoe crab, the shell. Oh, that's the shell of the horseshoe crab right there. And there's a bunch. Oh, they're probably burrowed in the sand, in the water.